Hey YouTube, it's AdamX20 and today's video is not 3D. I'm not using the Bloggy. Instead, I'm going to do a screencast and show you what I've been working on. So, I've been working on the new macros menu, which we will see here. And basically, instead of clicking on this and then it automatically adding a new macro, it pops up with a little menu where we can create entire sets. So this is a set I normally use, and what it is, these are all macros. I like to ping the server from time to time, and I also like to send the server whispers from time to time, just to make sure the network is working like it should. But the real thing here is this thing. You'll see it. Normally, before you update, well, because I'm not posting this as an update right now. What you'll see is a little potion bottle. Here, I'll add a macro and grab the potion bottle. Which one is it? This one. Normally, you'll see this image, and that will be right here with a little red plus symbol. Well, here's what you can do now. So I'll click on this, and then I can edit the macro set. Um, we see here the image and then the icon color. What the icon color stands for is the little plus symbol. If I want to change it to, I have blue and I also have red for now. But for this one, I like green. And then it's using basically the same script or same methods I was using for the macro editor. Excuse me. And then it lets me change the set name, and then I'll save it, and when I save it, then it changes that, and then the set name is changed here. And that's really all it does. So I'm going to create a new macro set here. When I create a new macro set, it's going to want me to create a new file for it. So, I already have 3 different test macro sets, but I will call this new macro set. And I've changed the extension, like I said, I changed it to all .macro .macro, and then it just creates the default macro set um, here, and then I can modify this how I want to. So I can also load a new macro set, and I can just load the one that I had before. Wow, I gotta change the default for enter to save. Let's see, change that back to my. I like the cloak. There we go. So that's what I've been working on. I had to correct a problem with renaming nodes. They don't get rekeyed accurately, but I think I got that. That'll be in the next update. And then what I'm planning on looking at is the server settings. If I start up the server, it doesn't have a little settings like this, which it needs to. It's going to need to for like login options and the cherry pie options, and possibly user interface features, and also theme and color. Well, I want all of that changed. Um, so I guess maybe it'll just be like a general rip of this, but I don't think there's going to be too much in the general. There's going to be the login options, and then I suppose they'll replace this with um, the room tree options. Um, but yeah. Oh, the other thing I added, which is currently updated, is this little notifications. This is really just for me, but what this is doing is see, it'll animate the little icon right here, and this works on 2 different principles. There's 2 different ways to add animations to the software. Um, it's not using the Q movie method at all because I can't add Q movies to the map. Instead, what I need to do is create um, my own, and I had to create my own animation method, and that's what this is. So there's two different types of animations. There's the flipbook animation, and then there's the man, what did I call it? I don't even remember. I honestly don't even remember. Flipbook and I don't remember. Hold on, let me open up the source code so I can remember. Slideshow. That's right. The slideshow. Okay, so what the flipbook animation does is if you have separate images, you can all add those as different pages to your flipbook, and then when you start up the animation thread, it will run through the different pages. Now with the slideshow, what that does is it takes one image which has different pieces that you will create slides of. I don't know if you've ever seen Notch program before, but he used the same method in Minecraft, and I think he does that in Minecraft. I'm not really sure, but it's pretty common where you have like a sheet, one-page sheet of different slides, like basically they're different images all on one image, and then you just take those pieces and you put together your own little slideshow, and that's how it'll work. This right here, this little animation right here, is actually a slideshow, and that is in the miscellaneous over here, isn't it? Is it not? Is it over here in the icons? There it is. There it is. So you can see it's a slideshow like this. All I do is I grab here and then I go um, back and forth and create my own little animation with that. And so I'm not really sure if this notification thing is going to stay or if I'm going to integrate it into the uh, the main menu icon here, which I think it would be really cool. The Westnoth images had quite a few different images, animation images and stuff that I'll be able to look at later and create my own little slideshow or flip book if I want to. But yeah, so I made it both ways so people don't have to um, work too hard at making animations. But when it comes to like an animated GIF, I'm sorry, there's really not much I could do because to take an animated GIF and put it on the Q graphics scene, I don't know if I can do that and animate it. Um, and I don't, I guess I just don't know. But you can always take an animated GIF and open it up in like the GIMP and separate all of the frames if you want to. So that's my video for today. You can see it's another late video. Um, I've been recording late videos again, but I tend to do that when I stay up all night working. Um, Completely off topic, I have created a Facebook group that you might maybe join. It is I can't even connect. It is the Teenage Alien Invader Ninja Turtles group because Michael Bay. I know this is completely off topic. Michael Bay is taking the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie and making them all aliens, and I'm making this group because I don't agree with the idea personally. I'm not sure if anybody else does. So I'm going to post a link. Feel free to join my group. It's an open group. The first day we opened up, we mourned the loss of Splinter because Well, it's all down here, man. There's going to be enormous plot holes in how the Teenage Alien Invader Ninja Turtles actually works. So, anyway, that is today's video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, YouTube.